Audio Jungle.
Talk a little bit about how you're doing, kind of how are you handling drivers now? Like, did you hire? Was that part of the six people you hired? Are you owning your own vans? What are you doing on that front?
Yeah, so the vans thing too, we tried for a while to get some vans. We wanted to obviously deck them out in all pink and make sure that's a traveling billboard for everyone. But no, so at that time we just kind of stepped back and I'll give some credit to Liz. Like she stepped back. She's like, there's gotta be a better way to do this. Like we can't scale this business, right? Like it's not scalable at the rate we're going, right? So. We just got on Indeed, put together like a good ad that was, based around how we thought the job should be placed and what we thought was the most important parts of the job, and really highlighting a lot of the flexibility and a lot of the you know good things that can come from kind of that idea of like pick up and it's kind of like a DoorDash type situation, if you will, but with a little more intention. So like all of our employees were able to vet very very well. We're able to we have at that point got a couple, not contracts, but some agreements with some local laundromats that we can do laundry in after hours, even if we needed to. So we kind of just set up this system of like giving our drivers and washers multiple options on how to get the laundry done. And then yeah, like I mean, some of our drivers now have been with us for 6-7 months. So it's we've been able to take it from like just a two-man team to like a really flexible team. So like a lot of our drivers, like if they want a day off, it's easy to give them a day off and bring in another driver to cover. So I've created this kind of like again repeatable model that we've created that we can definitely scale now, right? Again, like I said, it was just there was all this vision we had for where we wanted to take Ladas, and then it quickly just got like bunch of clothes got thrown from us, like you know what I mean, like so.
Then you literally got buried in laundry.
Literally got cloudy for a sec. So yeah, and we've been taking the past like 3 months too to really step back. Took some time, like off from the business to kind of reset and figure out where we want to go next with it. And we got some pretty big plans for the next like 2 years with Lotus too, but that can be towards the end. But yeah, so I think it was the driver thing was very crucial, and we're able to we supply all the supplies for them. And then they just kind of we've created a pricing model that basically pays like per bag and per pound type situation that we're able to like really, give competitive wages for people in our community. And now it's been cool because we're hiring people in, the surrounding Kitsap County as well. So we're creating jobs in other communities that are, that we're going to get involved more in this year and kind of start our expansion plan too. So that's been cool.
Audio